Everyone, in today's video, I want to show you how to set up your email on your smartphone. First thing first, you need to open an email app or a Gmail app in your smartphone. Yes, if this is your first time opening the email app, it might prompt you to add an account right away. But if you use the app before, tap on the three horizontal line or a menu icon in the top left corner, and then you go to setting and click on add account. So now you can choose the email service that you want to set up. For example, like Google, Yahoo, Outlook. But for me, I choose an other. So in there, you need to add your email address. Okay, so now I add my email address, and after you enter your email address, you click next. Yes, then you click next. So now you enter your Gmail password. Make sure that you are enter a correct password. You click next and you click I agree. Now you see that your email is on there. So now your email account should now be set up and you can start receive an email. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you found that video is useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you, see you in the next video. Bye bye.